All right, this is like my 12th attempt to do this video. All kinds of stupid problems come up. Something apparently was corrupted in the PDF file, and you'll find out what I'm talking about in a minute. Anyway, this video is about how to upload a file to the website server, and then put a link on the website to access that file. Okay, so first we just need to log into our hosting service, hostinger.com, and mine automatically put it in. Got the email address and the password. Okay, so we go to that. First dashboard is going to see if I'm a human again. I'm trying to start from scratch here to duplicate what happens so it knows I'm a human. Oh no, I wasn't counting on this. Man, oh man. Okay, well, you might run into this too, so hopefully this is going to go to the church's email. Wasn't counting on this. I have to check my phone, see if it's on there first. It might be faster. So sorry for the delay. Let's see if we got anything. Host. Okay, I think I've got it. 661577. 1577. 61. See how that works. So I'm gonna go back and close that if it works. It takes forever to see if I want me to sign in. Pain in the butt. Oh, sorry. All right, so we're on to the Hostinger control panel. All right, so now we want to go to the website control panel, or what's the other word they use for it? Dashboard, they call it. Okay, so this opens a new tab, and it transfers over to this. What's weird is it says it's opening Chris's account, but up here at the top it says Howdy Jim Lyons, so I don't know what's going on. But we have there's at least two. If you go into the users, you'll see at least two of us allowed, Milford Church of Christ, and then mine. Okay, as administrators. But what we're going to do now, usually we're up here in the pages, okay, and we're adding or subtracting from these pages. We're going to start over here, though, in the file manager. That's where we're going to add this file to the file manager. In other words, these are the files that the website runs on, all different kinds of files and plugins they have. And this is the one I have been using, this Sean Short Revival Flyer. It's not working. It was working at first, but now it stopped. And I think somehow or another it's gotten corrupted along the way. So I'm going to delete it for now. But basically, I'm going to use the same file. I just made another copy of it on Adobe and changed the name of it. So I'm hoping that will work. Now, if you don't see these icons here, see the ones that are lit up, some are grayed out and some are lit up. If you don't see that, just click on, like I just click on public HTML, the top thing, and they should light up. Okay. Now, how do we get a file there? Well, first we need the file that we're working with, and I'll use my Outlook Express and go to the email that Tamara sent me. I was going to, where to go? I'm not going to, it's going to make me sign in again. Let's see, if this doesn't take long, I'll do it. If it's going to take forever, I'm not going to do it. Let's see how it works. I just refreshed my page a while ago. Yes. Okay, looks like it's going to go through. This layout's different. That's not the regular layout they have. All right, so here's the email she sent me. And she sent a little things taking forever. Try it again. Man. So she sent me this little email which doesn't want to open for anything. And you see it has a PDF file attached to it. But keep on trying, see what happens. Wow. So my servers just, so they got time to run all these ads on me, but not time to open my, so they don't like this thing at all. Okay, well, if I was doing this normally, I would click on the PDF and I would download the PDF. Okay. Now you see it's trying to download it. It's not showing anything. There's something wrong with it. I don't know what it is. It was fine earlier. All right, so the file that I want is going to be in my download folder. Okay, if I click on that folder, it opens the folder. Okay, but like I said, I think there's somehow over time now playing with this thing, the file got corrupted. So I made my own. I took it, reopened it, saved it in Adobe, changed the name. It seems to work. Knock on wood. See what happens. Okay. So anyway, so we've downloaded a file, or you have a file, you know where it's at on your computer. The point is, you have a file, you know where it's at on your computer. That's the most important thing. Okay. Because when you go here to the file manager, you're going to click on this little disk. It has an arrow on it. It looks like a little 3.5 floppy disk. So I'm going to click on that. Try to. And you can either drag them here, or you can select a folder or a file. So you select a folder. It's going to do multiple uploads at one time. And this is the new one I made. Kind of just recopied it. Sean Short Revival Flyer. I'll hit open. And all that's going to do is upload it to the website files. I'm going to double click it this time just to make sure it works. Okay, it's working. So it just keeps on working. So you can either use that, you can do that double click and then save that address, or you can just, when you have something like this, you can right click it, go here to get info, and then hover over this and right click again, and then left click copy link address. See up here it says link copied. Okay, so that's there. So now it's on the website, and I've copied the link, so I have the link that will take the user to that to the flyer. They'll open the flyer up for us. So where I'm going to put it, I'm going to put it on the home page under the upcoming events part. So I'm going to click on home, edit. So what I did, I went to all pages, home, and then edit. Okay. And we'll scroll down to the coming events section and edit that. Then scroll down to that section where the revival is. And I think I've already left it here from that. Nope, I didn't. Okay, good. I thought I left it. That's right. I just did I did a test run. So what I'm going to do is, you see where the cursor is over here. I'm either going to add text, which is what I'm going to do now. I'm thinking about when I come back, I'll put a little thumbnail picture of the poster there, possibly. But for now, we're going to do text. So I'm going to put click here for printable flyer. Okay. I can't remember if it has more information. I think it does. And for more information. Okay. So that's pretty good. Now, this part here, though, primarily, the all caps, I'm going to make that like a headline. So, I mean, I could do it right here probably. I haven't tried that before. Not recently, anyway. So since I haven't tried it, I'm not going to try it now. That's one way to make it bigger, okay, just to change the categories in. But I want a different font to make it a little more noticeable. Okay, and I want to make it bigger, again, make it noticeable. Make it a 20 pixel. And I'm going to make it bold. And change the color. It's right here. Okay. as long as it's highlighted, you can't tell what's going on. But after you take away the highlight, you can see it's changed. Now, this right here, I think I'll just leave that. Maybe put the parentheses around that. Okay. Now this is fine like this. I would kind of like this to be centered. I tried it a while ago and it didn't look that bad. I thought it looked decent. So what I did, I clicked on done, and rather than update it right away, I'll go ahead and preview it. So we hit a preview button to see how it looks. It opens a new tab for us to preview that page. Scroll down to where it's at. Okay. And again, I don't think that looks bad. This is all, left flush, or flush left, what do you call it? And I mean, we could center this part. Luncheon could maybe center that. But again, I think this looks decent like this. Either way, it's, I think it'll work good. Now I need to see how it looks on the phone. Okay. And of course, every phone's not the same either. So I think this is adequate. Now we do have one problem though. What is it? I didn't put the link in. Okay. That's always a good reason to test everything. Check everything you do. Learn by mistakes, learn by watching me. So I forgot to put the link in. That's one of the points of what we're doing here. So here's how you do that. Of course, this is all a lot easier now. It used to be you had to code everything in. So I can show you the code in a minute. But this does all the code for you. All right, so I'm going to choose what I put a cursor before and behind, then tapped it to choose this or select those letters. Put a link there, insert link. Okay. Now the address is here. I still got it in the clipboard. So I'm going to Control V, paste that in. Okay. Now right here is a choice on that gearbox. I can make it open in a new tab. And normally that's how I would like to do it. But this website right now, I have a thing called Shadowbox installed. So it will basically open up a little separate box anyway. It won't, in other words, go away from the page. The page stays there. A new little box opens up over top of it. So I don't need to use this open link in a new tab. So, but normally I do. So I can hit cancel on that. It's fine as is. Oops, it took it away. Yeah, we got to do it again. Sorry about that. Let's do it again. Okay, add link. Okay. Paste in the address. And I think you just hit disapply. Okay. So now that's there. And you can see a little line is under that now. So that means the link's there. We still want to test it out. So we hit done. Okay, and do our preview again. Okay. Now let's see if it works. It doesn't get blocked. A while ago, it kept getting blocked and had a dead link. All right, fingers crossed. All right, oops. Doesn't seem to click, I guess. There it goes. Oh, did I do something wrong? It changed pages, didn't it? Let me see what it did. It did. Well, okay. So the shadow box is gone for now. I changed the settings in the shadow box a while ago because I thought that was the problem as to why it would not recognize the PDF file. So anyway, this is fine. Opens up the file. They can print out this file if they want. Okay, so that works. And cancel this. So let's try to find it. I don't have a printer. And they can go down and get more information. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, that's that. I like that. And let me see that again. That didn't look right. Why is it doing that? Okay, preview changes. Where's this? Okay, so we're in this on this page. Oh, I'm going to go back and I'm going to go back. I'm going to have to go back and yeah, it's staying on the same page. So I'm going to go back and change that one little thing I was telling you about. Sorry for the confusion. But learning process it always is. So I'm going to go back and change this. Okay, then you've got this edit. So hit edit, go to the gearbox, put new tab. Oh, So it's either going to do a new tab this time, which is what I wanted to do, or it's going to go to Shadowbox. In either case, I think it'll be fine. I'll hit update. So now that changes the website itself. Now the website is being changed. So I can go up here, open a new tab. I'm going to check the website. Okay. I might refresh it just to make sure. Okay. So now it's going to have the new information on the website. All right. There it is. All right. Now, will it open up a new tab or will it open up the shadow box? We'll see. New tab. Okay, fine. That's fine. So I might go back and fix that shadow box again, but that's okay as is. And my next thing I might do is, like I said, I might just put a little thumbnail here. In the thumbnail, we'll have this instruction. Click here, and it will take you to the same thing. Take you to the flyer. I think that's it for now. I think that covers what we needed to talk about. So let me turn off my video. Have a good one. Let's see, where is it? I'll turn it off here.